We rolling. Got my, did I get my damn four-way? Did I get my four-way?
Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page. The box on 8. The paint still wet. Look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too. I set it on 6. I got a Suburban too. With them 30s on that.
Hope my damn axle don't come out while the car down. Ain't my car on the damn trailer. Crazy thing about it, y'all, I'm gonna have to get me a damn car trailer, man. Damn. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Shit. These box Chevys, man. Goddamn axle broke, man. God dang. Y'all know I'm hurt. Y'all know I'm hurt, man. That mug clean though, but shit. I gotta, man, that's my baby though, man. I gotta get it right though. It's on the right if I get it right, you know. Hey, y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know if I need to paint them tail lights or do I leave it like that. Man, we made it though, but you know, at the end of the day, man, it happens. But that's my baby. But we're gonna get it back right, man. She sound good, you know what I'm saying? Crazy thing about it, I can't drive it right now. So when I get that fixed, man, hopefully it's not nothing else. But if it is, I gotta go and get it fixed, man. It's on the right if I get it fixed, man. So yeah, man, we finna go on, get this thing home. And I appreciate him for even doing it, you know what I'm saying? You know, pulling it. Cause some mechanics and some people ain't gonna pull it. Like, you know, if it break down at the shop, whatever, it is what it is. You're gonna have to come and get it. But luckily, he had the car trailer, so you know what I'm saying. He ain't have to do what he doing, but I'm glad he did. And that really helped me out, cause man, I was gonna go through a tow truck. You know what I'm saying? And everybody looking. Yeah, that's my car, man. I'm down right now. Yeah, we done made it home, man. I gotta get this thing on the road, dog. Snatch it right here. Yes, sir, man. We yes, sir. We good, man. Yeah, we straight now. You can drive that thing, I swear. Got on one pull. Most everybody pull up and yeah. Let me help you with that. I drag the ramps real quick. I ain't gonna have no room. So we better just scoot up a little bit. All right, y'all, just had to make a run real quick, man. So we pulling back up at the crib. I put a little piece on the ground too, man. I want to show y'all what broke off in there. So let me show y'all real quick. I can take this in the house too. Let me see if I can show you. I had popped my hood. Okay. So, where's the little piece? Here it go, right here. I think that it, yeah, that's it. So just a little piece that failed, or that got broke in there. He said he got some of it out. So, that's that. And y'all can see how this wheel kind of stick out a little bit. The damn axle, she's trying to come out. If y'all look at that one's in there. That was in the field wheel. This one kind of out here. So this motherfucker was trying to come out. Can't get up in it, but man, yeah, man. Some bullshit, man. It ain't one thing, it's another. Yeah, but we're gonna get it though, man. We're gonna get right though, man. Y'all just stay tuned. But I had popped my hood real quick. We definitely gonna get another one sooner or later. Got the cold air intake on there. Well, not a cold air, but finally got this on here. I went and yesterday I went and got one of these things, the air manifold sensor. And let me show y'all the old one. Well, I got it in the box, but I don't think I need it no more, but hell. Let me see, it was dirty and stuff, but when I had this on, it was running real sluggish, but it was like $80, $84. But when I put the other one on, it was running a little better, you know. And of course I had bought this air filter, and I didn't expect to gotta put it on because I was gonna put it on, but I was looking for some stuff. But hell, appreciate you. So makes it look a whole lot better now. Whole lot better than what it did, y'all. So now I can actually pop the hood, and I know that damn thing made a big difference too. And he did took the few rails off this motor and put it on the other motor. But man, we finna crank it up real quick. I definitely can tell the difference now, because at first when I was doing that, it was like boom, 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 boom. So that little stop noise, it wasn't feeding that gas like it's supposed to. But now, hell yeah, definitely sound a whole lot better now, man. Even the tone. Well, I ain't gonna say tone, but when it was idling, like when I put it in gear and it idle, it'll get real low, then it'll pop back up. And like, you definitely can tell, but I do gotta get probably, y'all know how these motors is when it lifting and stuff, but what I'm gonna do later on, I'm gonna, I'm stuttering saying, I still wanna take those off and either put some flat tips or just take them off, period. Yeah, so that's what it was, man. Got a little tune and did that to it, so. Even as that. She would have had a cam now. She would have. Hey, she would have. I can definitely feel the difference. Hell yeah, man. I gotta go see my neighbor outside because she be tripping sometimes. Nope, I don't see her. Back in the car, go. Yeah, that probably. Well, damn. Was this the? Damn. One did this cause it, or I don't know, shit. I can't even remember this being down like this, but maybe he wanted to roll. My son. Yeah, that made a big difference. Now she's doing what she's supposed to do. She's spitting like she's supposed to be spitting. I just gotta change my damn like I said, I might have to change these tips out. Put some flat tips on here or something. Oh, damn, them got the sun. So with that being said, man, y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do I need to put the flat tips on? So I need to go turn down? Or what? Turn down might be good. Because the way the car is, like I said, she sound good though, but the way the car is, might not need no pipes, you know what I'm saying? Time to upgrade a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So shit, like I said, might not even need that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my jack, set on some blocks, jack this up, just have my car in the air, put them rims back on the other Chevy. But she breathing now though. She's definitely breathing now. So that's what it was, y'all. I'm satisfied, but I'm satisfied with the power and stuff. Damn. What the fuck is that? Goddamn hard ass nuts. Alright, y'all. Sorry about that. Got my doors. Left his gloves in there. Yeah, man. We're gonna get right though, man. So y'all just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Shit happens though, man. But that's my baby though. But like I said, man, y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, man, I either gonna go flat tips or turn downs. Flat tips or turn downs. Before I let y'all go, y'all let me know. Flat tips or turn downs. All right, guys. Damn. Hold on. Oh, okay. Just thought about something. We finna go ahead and take these tires off. Well, jack it up, put on some bricks, and put the tire back on the box Chevy. So first thing first, let me grab my my jack is over there. So let me take. Damn, how am I gonna do this? Let me take another brick over there. So I'm gonna have to take a brick, probably set it up on the car. Take the factors off. Hold on. Damn, y'all, I'm just messing up. So I need to put actually the brick on that car. So I need to get my jack though. come over here. That way I can take the towel. Put it over here. Whew. My bad. Okay, with that being said, I just need to have this car sitting on some blocks. So, okay, so this car need to be sitting on some blocks. So I need to go get this jack. Matter of fact, I might can use this jack. I forgot about this jack. That way I ain't got to keep going back and forth. These damn jacks and stuff. Okay. Do it like that. Safety. I need to get my wrenches. Y'all, I was just thinking about something. I just want to try something one time. I need to get this damn ticket too. Y'all, I just want to try something one time just to see. Oh, there's gonna be another video. I can't tell y'all. There's gonna be another video. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna tell y'all, but some of y'all probably caught on. But y'all caught on, y'all comment down below. I'm gonna let you know if you're right or not. So let me go ahead and jack this up, man. Get this towel. Oh yeah, that way I can show y'all too. All right, y'all. So first thing first, gotta get it jacked up. So with that being said, that way I can show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm gonna take this time. Alright, y'all see how. Alright, bye. What's up? Did the same thing. Alright, y'all. So this one broke. That shit crazy. That's what broke it. Yeah, so hopefully y'all, I don't know how the brakes look. We're going here, so that's it, y'all. So this is where we at right now. So I did got the brake jack kind of holding up, taking some of that weight off. Y'all can see that axle sticking out. So yes, sir. All right, now I'm gonna take these rims from the back of here because I don't want one day my wife driving gone and I done fixed it and my wheels back here because I will forget. So I'm gonna have to take these and put these up somewhere. All right.
Yo, Doing Lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page.